In this video, we will learn how to create a scene in an animated video using Mango AM.
Now open Mango Animator. We have two options to create an animated video. We can use a pre-built template or we can create a new blank project. Here we will create a new blank project. For that, click New Project. Now in this box, click three dots. Now click Replace. There are a number of scenes you can choose according to your project needs. These scenes are also arranged in categories. To search easily, select a category. Click the scene. Now you can see this folder contains all the images used in this scene. We can add or remove images in the scene. To add an image, click image icon. Select your image category. And select the image. Now we can also remove images. For that, it is good practice to lock our background image. Now click any image you want to remove. Delete it. We can also undo the action. We can also redo the action. Now we will add character to scene. For that, click Rules. Now click Add. Now you can see different type of rules. You can choose according to your needs. You can also add action to character. Talk action. A motion action. Motion action. Sitting action. Body actions. We will choose motion action. Now we will make this character walk. Now in character layer, we can adjust attributes. We can change action by clicking this plus sign. From these dots we can change play mode. We choose loop mode. Drag it to the adjust the duration of action. From this plus sign we can add effects. We will choose move effect. Resize the character to make it more realistic. Now drag it to adjust the duration of effect. Now play. Now we adjust it to start movement from the beginning. Now play again. It is fine. Now we have animated a simple scene successfully. We will explore more options of Mango Animator in the next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.